What if I told you that your Laravel applications could fix themselves, heal themselves? Well, this is possible with a package or a feature of the package I've created that's called Laravel Tackle. So Tackle itself is a coding agent that runs as a runtime within your Laravel application. And then within that offering is what's called self-healing queues. So you can have a queue job that is set to be, that is allowed to be healed, so to speak. So you can apply this across the board to all queue jobs or just specific ones. But the way it'll listen for the failed job. It'll dispatch the agent. The agent's going to go look to see if it can qualify for a bug fix. And if it does, it's going to write the fix and then PR that change straight to your, in this case for me, the GitHub repository. So to kind of demonstrate this, you're going to see in GitHub I have no PRs that are active. So we're going to switch over on the terminal. And I have it set up to where we can obviously listen for the queue itself, and then we have the queue that is specific to the healer. So I'm going to switch over to the queue, and then I'm going to switch to this other tab. And I have an artisan command that I'm going to run that is designed to dispatch a queue job, in which in that queue job is a bug. So we're going to send that. We're going to switch back over, and we should see that failed job come across, which we do. And then if we switch over to the healer, we're going to see that it's running as well. So right now, that agent is going through a triage process. That's taking place over a work tree that it's created. And so it's going to isolate it, right? And then it's going to produce the PR and send it out to GitHub. So this should be done here, hopefully in just a short moment. And then once it's done, we'll go take a look at it on GitHub. And it's done. Okay. So we're going to switch over to the PRs for this repository, and as you see, we have none. And I'm going to refresh the page. And as you see, there is the PR. So it's going to write, obviously, a summary to talk about what the issue was, the stack trace, and then we're going to be able to see that file change itself. And in this case, it was just a specific key value that was the issue. With that, I can actually go in here and, say able to merge. We're going to merge it. And then if I go back into my application, and so I'm just going to have to do this, and we're going to do a pull. And think about it, if this is, had went through your deployment script, let's say on Forge or whatnot. So that would have been of auto deploy. So we're going to go back, and we have nothing running there. We're going to go here and try to reproduce that. And you see how it's done. There's no bugs, therefore there's nothing to fix. Therefore the bug has been resolved. Now, the cool thing about Tackle is that we could do it in a way to where if it could automatically fix and then merge the PR. That capability is possible, but at the highest level, our Laravel application just fixed itself. So if you found this video interesting, I encourage you to go check out the package Laravel Tackle on GitHub. There's a lot of features here because you can code interactively with it. You can let it work on its own. It can delegate work. It can review PRs. It can review or create work from, we'll say, issue boards. Like there's a lot of offerings within Laravel Tackle, and I've been working on this for a couple of months. I'm really proud of it. So, but if I encourage you to try it out, look forward to your feedback, and I'll see you on the next video.